Hello everyone! Welcome back to the series of basic Windows tutorials for beginners. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 11. You can also follow the same steps on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, open any web browser available on your computer. Then go to Google and search for the keyword Chrome Download. Next, access the official Google Chrome website and click on Download Chrome to download the program's setup file. Right-click or double-click on the Chrome setup file you just downloaded to start the installation process. Click Yes and wait while the program downloads the necessary files. The installation will complete automatically. After the installation, the program will ask if you want to sign in with your Gmail account. Signing in with your Gmail account has many benefits, which I will share in another video. If not, just select Don't Sign In. This is the step where you can set Chrome as your default browser. If you'd like to do so, click Set as Default. A Windows settings window will appear. Click the Set Default button to complete the process. Now, you can start using Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials on Windows and other tech tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.